Well, here we are, Camp Fussell, Redneck Plumbing. I dug all this trench yesterday and I hooked up water line today. So far, no leaks. The cats are helping me cover it up. They've been caving in my stuff and playing in the sand here at the end. Not the trip. Axeman supervising. Phew. All right. Coming on down. Got some conduit that's gonna go in later, but right now I'm just checking everything for leaks. Make sure I didn't forget to glue an elbow. Gonna get some water and some power out here to the critter station and make it look a little bit better. Oh, let it be water. Oh, oh yeah. There's the line. So we got water. Yippee-ki-yay! Guess I dug about 90 foot of trench yesterday with the old timey way, with the pick, the shovel, the loppers, and there's a hole around here somewhere. Flat shovel, axe, yeah buddy, getting her done. All right, now I'll be covering this stuff up. I don't know, either this evening or tomorrow, I'm not sure yet.